Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, we are going to break down the key reasons why Linux is better than Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So Linux offers several advantages over Windows 11. So we're gonna break this down. We have the open source nature. Linux's source code is freely available, allowing for greater transparency, security, and customization. The next one we have is enhanced security. Linux is inherently more secure due to its architecture and less frequent targeting by malware. The next one is stability and reliability. Linux can run for extended periods without requiring reboots, unlike Windows, which often needs frequent updates and restarts. Next, superior performance. Linux generally outperforms Windows 11, especially in CPU, GPU, and memory-intensive tasks. Now, 5 Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, Arch Linux, and Clear Linux, have shown significant performance gains over Windows 11. Next, the privacy-focused aspect. Linux doesn't collect user data or include built-in advertising features, providing better privacy protection. Next, cost effectiveness. Linux is free to download and use, saving money on licensing fees. Next, customization. Linux offers extensive customization options, allowing users to tailor their system to their specific needs. Next, resource efficiency. Linux can revive older computers and run smoothly on less powerful hardware. Next, we have software updates. Linux typically handles updates more efficiently without requiring frequent reboots. Next, we have the community support. Let me know in the comment section if you think that Windows on this one has it. But you know, this is a Linux, right? So Linux has a large dedicated community that provides support and continuously improves the system. Now, another aspect is, how does Linux handle security compared to Windows 11? So Linux handles security more effectively than Windows 11 because of the user privileges, right? Linux employs a strict user privilege model, requiring users to operate with limited permissions by default. Administrative tasks are reserved for the root user, which helps prevent unauthorized access to critical system components. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button if you were educated and entertained and you got what you came here for. Hit that subscribe button and the like button if you got what you came here for. Now, open source transparency is next. Linux open source nature allows for continuous review and improvement of its security features by a global community of developers and security experts. Now, the package management. Linux utilizes trusted centralized software repositories, making it less likely for users to download and run malware compared to Windows. Now, execution permissions. Linux requires users to explicitly set, execute permissions for files before they can run, adding an extra layer of security against malicious software. Mandatory access control. Linux incorporates powerful security modules like SELinux and AppArmor, which provide robust mandatory access control systems to further secure applications and processes. Now, in regards to customization, Linux allows for extensive security customization, which enables users to tailor the system to meet specific security requirements. Auditing capabilities. Linux offers comprehensive auditing frameworks that allow system administrators to monitor and track system activities, aiding in forensic analysis and breach detection. Secure boot. Linux supports secure boot mechanisms like UEFI secure boot, ensuring that only trusted software components are loaded during the boot process. Encryption support. Linux incorporates strong encryption algorithms and protocols for secure data transmission and storage. Community-driven security. The large and active open source community continuously reviews and audits the source code, quickly identifying and addressing vulnerabilities. Now, what are the main customization options available on Linux? You have the desktop environments. what users can choose from various desktop environments like GNOME, KDE, XFCE, and Cinnamon, each offering unique features and customization options. Appearance: Linux allows extensive visual customization, including changing wallpapers, themes, icons, and color schemes. Shell customizations: users can modify their shell prompt, configure aliases, and customize the terminal's appearance. Windows managers: Linux supports different Windows managers like i3, OpenBox, or Awesome for customizing window behavior and appearance. System monitoring: tools like Top can be customized to display system information according to user preferences. Keyboard shortcuts: users can create custom keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation and improved productivity. Package management: Linux distributions use package managers like apt, yum, or zyper for easy software installation and removal. File system commands: users can customize file system commands using aliases for personalized shortcuts. Widgets and applets: many desktop environments allow the addition of widgets or applets for displaying quick information or quick access to functions. Now, and lastly, we have boot options. Linux allows customization of bootloader settings, providing access to different kernels, boot settings, and operating systems. Hit that subscribe button and the like button if you got what you came here for. Hit that subscribe button and the like button if you were educated, entertained, and you got what you came here for. See you in the next video.